Example problem 17 asks us to solve for the molecular weight of sodium chloride. So following the rules of the molecular weight table, the first row we're going to put in the elements that are involved in the molecule of sodium chloride. So the first one is sodium and the second one is chlorine. The second row takes the atomic weight of the elements from the periodic table for each element. So we know that sodium chloride is an ion, so that sodium and chlorine are going to be on opposite sides of the periodic table from each other. So in group 1, there's sodium, element number 11. The mass of sodium is 22.99 grams. And all the way on the other side, chlorine is element number 17, and its atomic mass is 35.45 grams. Row number 3 asks us for the number of atoms that are present. So in sodium chloride, there are no subscripts at the bottom of either one of these atoms. And so when there's nothing present, we're going to assume that there is one of each. As opposed to something like KMnO4, which is potassium permanganate, you can see that there's a 4 underneath there. That's not the case for sodium chloride. There's absolutely nothing behind sodium and chlorine. So it's assumed to be 1 for each of those. And the total here is where you multiply row 2 by row 3. So 29.99 times 1 is 29.99. 35.45 times 1 is 35.45. And then we add up row 4 straight down. And so in your calculator, 29.99 plus 35.45 equals 65.44, and that is the total molecular weight of sodium chloride. And of course, we're talking about grams. So thanks, and let me know if there are any questions about example problem 17.